Francis Hall, the president of the French Republic, once said, "The time has passed when humankind thought it could selfishly draw on exhaustible resources. We now know that the world is not a commodity." What I believe he meant by this is that we now know that global warming or climate change is a very real problem, and the careless use of fossil fuels is not only dangerous to our environment, but also selfish as we are conjuring problems and leaving them for future generations to deal with. I have done extensive research on the topic and hope that at the end of this you'll have a better idea of global warming's causes and effects, as well as how you can help prevent it as a single person. So let's kick it off. What is global warming? It is a gradual increase in the overall temperature of Earth's atmosphere caused by increased levels of carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbons, and other pollutants. So in short, it is rising temperatures caused mostly by us humans and our selfish ways. So what are some of the main causes of global warming? Increased population is obviously the largest cause because more people means more pollutants and carbon footprints. Next, we have the burning of fossil fuels. Each time a fossil fuel burns, carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere increase. Carbon dioxide absorbs infrared energy emitted from the Earth's surface, preventing it from returning to space, causing increased temperatures. Coal-bearing power plants, along with automobiles, are responsible for most of the planet's carbon emissions. Lastly, mining activities play a large role in global warming. Mining oil, coal, and other mineral products underlying in deep beds allow for the once-trapped methane gases to make their way into the environment. Now that you know some things that cause global warming, why is it such a big deal in the first place? First, we have the rise in sea levels. This is the result of the melting of two massive ice sheets in Antarctica and Greenland as researched by scientists. It has become a very big problem for those living on coastal regions and could completely consume these regions if taken to the extreme. Next, we have the effects it has on plants and animals. The temperature change has been evident to force certain species of populations to migrate into warmer or colder areas. Such a small change can have a huge impact on the environment and has even been the cause of extinction for a number of species. Lastly, droughts are much more prominent given the temperature change. You now know why global warming is a problem. What can you do as a person to help the cause? For one, you can lessen your carbon footprint. You could achieve this by turning your lights off if you aren't using them or commuting to work instead of driving yourself. It seems bad for the environment, don't overindulge. Another way to help is to conserve water and recycle. Tons of energy goes into both of these, so every little bit counts. At the very least, you could plant a tree. This would be great for the environment because they absorb carbon dioxide and emit oxygen. So why does all of this matter? Some people might say, who cares about the environment? I won't be there in 100 years. But the truth is, the planet is a planet that your kids will live on, and your kids' kids, and so on. Do you want to put them in an inevitable trap that they have no control over, or do you want to do all you can in your lifetime to ensure their safety?